Hi everyone, this is Amit Kumar Gupta and today's lesson is on Introduction to MS Excel Spreadsheet. So before we start on MS Excel, we'll learn basic things about spreadsheets. Okay, basically these spreadsheets are made up of columns, rows, and the intersection between the columns and rows are called the cells. Okay, and in this each cells may be the following type of data. What are the data? The data are text, number data, formula. Okay, basically we call text as a labels and number data are called constants, and whatever the mathematical equations we do there, whatever the work we do with the mathematical equations are called the formulas. Okay, we'll learn in brief about the columns, rows, and the intersections. So in this page you can see what are columns. Columns are the location which is denoted by the letters. Okay, what are rows? Rows are basically denoted by the numbers, like from the 4 till z or plus. Okay, like in a single line. Okay, and the cells are denoted by the columns and rows. I have already told you it is the intersection between the rows and the columns. Okay, so the another thing is type of data you will type. Okay, there are three basic type of data you can enter, like I have told you: label, constants, and formulas. Okay, in labels you can only add text, whatever the text you put inside it. Okay. Name, address, this all are the text. No, and constants, I have told you before, constants are numbers. Whatever the numbers you put inside the what do you say, box, okay, in the seats. Okay, these all are the constants. What are constants? Constants are the numbers we put in, and the formulas are the mathematical equation I have already told you. For example, it is given here 1 plus 10, or 123 into 1 2 plus 172.2. Okay, this all are, why we call it formula. This 1 0 100 plus 110 and all 123 1 2 78.2, these all are the numbers. What are numbers? Numbers are constants. Okay, but in between that thing we have put for plus, equals to, asterisk. Okay, asterisks are multiplication, as you know. Okay, these all are the formulas. So we'll go through the next topic, that is basics math. Spreadsheet have many math functions built into them. Okay, it's not like basic sheets have the less maths. Okay, no, whatever, in simple. Okay, if you want the percentage, average values, what we do, what office or whoever use the MS Excel, what they do, they directly go to the MS Excel and do there, because it is like very easy and simple way. No, if you learn it then only. Okay, so this maths includes all this standard multiplication, division, additions, and subtractions. Okay, like the algebra. So down there you can see the examples in the left hand side, that is your MS Excel, and in the left hand side, sorry, in the right hand side. Okay, in the left hand side you can see the columns and all, that are spreadsheets. Okay, that is your MS Excel, and in the right hand side you can see there is written A1 in the bracket, column A, row 1 equals to 5. Okay, this all are the location of your text or numbers. Okay, so you can see there a1 my key sorry a1 contains column a, row 1. What is inside it? Column, here you can see this and this. Okay, so what is inside the box? This box, what is inside it? It is 5. Okay, similarly a2 column a, row 2, that is 7, and goes on. Okay, down there you can see operations and their symbols and their constants. Okay, after that you will see the reference result. We'll discuss in brief. First, there is multiplication. Multiplication is always showed in a asterisk form. Okay, star form, in simple star form. Okay, what are the constants? 5 into 6. From where this 5 into 6 came? a1 b3. This a1, a is your row and 1 is your column. Similarly, b is your row and 3 is your column. So what is in a1? That's 5, right? And in a3, sorry, b3, that's 6. What is the result? 5 into 6, 5 6 are 30. Similarly, in the division, the same, just the symbol is division sign, similar to the addition and the subtractions. Okay, all things are same. Okay, in simple we go to the subtraction portion. Okay, subtraction, the symbol is there, symbol is here. Okay, and in this constant, okay, you can see there 8 minus 3. Where this 8 minus 3 came from? a3 minus b1. a3 has 8 and b1 has 3. So 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. Result comes 5. Okay, so there are other functions of this MS Excel that are average, which ignores the text and blanks, maximums, max returns the large value in a range, minimum returns the small value in a range. What is maximum? Maximum is the high level and the minimum is the low level. Count, return the value, number data cells, and the count A return the number of non-empty cells. So there are questions and answers come in your mind. What is MS Excel? What are the features of MS Excel? Okay, so first we'll learn what is MS Excel. MS means Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program included in the Microsoft Office suite of application. Spreadsheet present tables of value arranged in a row and columns that can be multiplied mathematically using both basics and complex arithmetic operation and functions. Okay, so what it means to say is this MS Excel is a part of or the application of Microsoft Office. Okay, in this spreadsheets there are tables which are arranged in rows and columns and the values are put inside it. Okay, and that can be manipulated by the mathematical way in a this in a simple way and in a hard way. Okay, that is a basic and a complex arithmetic operations and functions are done there. Okay, so features of MS Excel. So what we can do in MS Excel, we can add header and footers. We can find and replace the commands. Okay, like we can search if there is some problems, and we can, like, if there is a spelling mistake, okay, and we don't know, at last we saw that there is a spelling mistake. It is very simple to replace it. We can easily find that thing also by searching it and replace the column commands also. Okay, it can be password protected. You can put your own password if you open any like sheets. You have created a sheet, and if you want to protect your sheet, definitely you can. Okay, you can protect with the passwords and data filtering. Okay, data has been filtered, data will be stored here. And the most important thing is formula. It has an inbuilt formula. Okay, we don't have to put formula in everything. Okay, it can automatically function it has an inbuilt formula. It creates different charts or automatically edit the result, etc. and all. So basically this MS Excel sheets ends with .xls format. Similarly, in a simple example, we can say whatever the application we download from Google. Okay, have you ever downloaded any application from Google in a form of apk.apk? If not, then also you can try at home. Okay, but if you have seen this anywhere in a photos also, you can open your computer and you can see there that is it is written there. So you can see in this photos and also photos and all. Okay, there is written there .jpeg. Okay, that is an image. Okay, similarly to the application .apk and comes to the MS Excel. Okay, this sorry this XLS format is, you can easily identify if it is written in any files. There is there xls.xls, then we can easily recognize that it is MS Excel sheet. Okay, so everyone have a doubt that where MS Excel sheets are used. Well, these MS Excel sheets are used for organization, analysis, and store data in tabular form. Sorry. So in another question, there is written write some functions of Excel. Okay. So what are the function of Excel? That are text function, VLOOKUP function, average function, sum function, etc. Many more things are there. Okay. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of MS Excel? Like everyone knows that there is always an advantage and disadvantage of everything. Similarly, in this MS Excel also we have the advantage and the disadvantage. So first we'll talk about the advantage. One of the biggest benefit of Excel is its primary function. Okay, the ability of organize large amount of data into orderly logical spreadsheets and characters. Sorry, charts. With the data organization, it's a lot easy to analyze it. Okay, so this due to thanks to this data organization, so that it is very easy for us to analyze MS Excel. Okay, so what are the disadvantages? The difficult part of many users is that the calculation must be entered into the spreadsheet as formula. Okay, so maximum people have one problem, that they have some maths problem and all. Okay, many people have that problem, so they think that it is very difficult to use this formulas and all in a spreadsheet. But I tell you, this is very easy if you learn it. For any queries and questions, you can comment down below. So guys, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.